Integrate Stripe Payment Gateway in Laravel is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to install the Stripe package using Composer by running the command Composer require Stripe PHP. Next, you need to create a Stripe account and obtain your API keys. You can find your API keys in the Stripe dashboard under the Developers section. Then, you need to configure your Stripe API keys in your Laravel application. You can do this by adding your API keys to the services.php file in the config directory. After configuring your API keys, you can start using Stripe to process payments. You can use the Stripe facade to create customers, retrieve customers, create subscriptions, and more. To create a customer, you can use the Create Customer method and pass in the customer's email and payment method. To create a subscription, you can use the Create Subscription method and pass in the customer's ID and the price ID of the subscription. When creating a payment form, you should always validate user input to prevent errors and security vulnerabilities. You should also handle any errors that may occur during the payment process to provide a good user experience. In a real-world example, you might have a form where users can enter their payment information and subscribe to a service. When the user submits the form, you would create a new customer and subscription using the Stripe facade. Best practices for integrating Stripe into your Laravel application include always validating user input, handling errors, and keeping your API keys secure. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily integrate Stripe into your Laravel application and start processing payments. Additionally, you should always follow the official documentation for the most up-to-date information on integrating Stripe into your Laravel application. This will ensure that your integration is secure and compliant with any relevant laws and regulations. Overall, integrating Stripe into your Laravel application is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps and best practices outlined in this guide, you can start processing payments with Stripe in no time.